Considering our economic situation, budget versus actual can sure look ugly during this time. But that does not mean dashboards need to be ugly too. BOLDSuite Analytics, a custom connector to source data from NetSuite and Power BI. You can slice data in many ways using Power BI to help you make better and timely decisions. With our Power BI dashboard, customers can get access to the financial health of their company with only a single click. With this report, you can see budget versus actual financial overview, a wide range of financial metrics and trending indicators showing how well your organization is managing the day-to-day financial operations. Here you can look at the budget consumed by each department, which presents the information that you need on an up-to-the-minute basis. As I click on the budget consumption by account type, I see the transactions against each account type, budgeted versus actual, and the amount consumed over the budget. This shows you the difference between the actual amount versus budgeted amount to get more visibility on a daily, monthly, and yearly basis. Reap the benefits from the years of investment you have made in your NetSuite system.